Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechBitTuber. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Grayscale mode on your Android devices. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of my videos immediately. So let's get started. So talking about Grayscale mode is the latest feature in Android smartphones. The purpose of this mode is to save the life of your battery. It turns your device screen into white and black just like this. So because of this mode, the element of the CPU renders only in these two colors instead of 32-bit color, so which automatically consume less power. The Grayscale mode is not available in older versions like Ice Cream, Sandwich, Marshmallow, but it is available in all the latest Android smartphones. You can still take advantage of Grayscale mode even if you are using Android older version, but you will need to help from the third-party app. Let's take a look in detail about the Grayscale mode. So if you are using the latest operating system of Android like the Android Pie, Android Nougat, etc. or Android 10, so then you will not require any third-party app. Follow these simple steps to enable the Grayscale mode on your device. Just scroll to the settings, then go to the about phone. Then here you have to tap MIUI version or built-in numbers for 7 to 10 times until you will see that you are now a developer. So go back and here search for the developer options. Now here search for the developer option. You will find developer option in MIUI in additional settings. So here in the last developer option, open developer option, then scroll down and search for simulate color space. So here you will see that a simulate color space. Just tap on it and you will see that a monochromacy. Then you have to select monochromacy for enabling Grayscale mode. So now once you press the home button, you will see that the Grayscale mode is now enabled. So this is the trick for enabling Grayscale mode on your Android devices. And for turning it off, simply go to the settings, then go to the additional settings and developer option. Here search for the display simulate color space, then you have to choose the disable and just disable it and press the home button. You will see that your screen will return to its original color. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye bye. We will meet in the next video.